I don't remember the last time I did this. I don't remember the last time I did a day in my life where you really just spend the whole day with me. It has always been just a snippet of each and every day that I try to keep within 1 to 2 minute increment. So today I decided to do a longer video of what a real video of a day in my life would be like. I'm doing both.
You just turned.
I did. I already filmed it the other way.
I know, you can do it.
Beautiful day to be alive. We're going apple picking today with the girls. Enjoy watching the video, guys, but also let me know in the comment down below as we continue if you prefer voicing over video or seeing more video without voicing over.
That is a tattoo.
Can you show me? Yeah, that's the... Me too, me too. That means we get to on the Cᴏ ride. Mine's not pretty though.
What is
Yeah.
it? I'm sorry.
Wow, that's a long line.
I know. You like it or no? Look at you, happy. The sky is so blue today. I love it.
We got apple drinks.
September is quite early to go apple picking as not all the apple is fully ripe yet, but we do get to taste the new apple, and these that are unripe tend to taste better to me personally, mainly because I like the tartier apple like Honey Crisp. Cara! Hi!
I took 3 down.
Remember to show your hand?
Hold on to the railing. You done? Okay.
Just throw it up.
That's where you'll find our apple cider donuts, our animals, and our mazes. Our best apple picking can also be found there. Just follow the signs. If you'd like to stay on past that, our hard cider tent is opening at 11. It is currently 10:57. If you please give your hand.
From my place's farm is like a 45 to 55 minute drive depending on the traffic, but honestly it's definitely worth the hike for me. It's always a great family activities, and going to the farm, the air here just feels so much more fresh and less congested like the city. And honestly, it's always a good idea to bring cash to support the farmer better.
Yeah.
How does he do that? I just want to
hand. I wonder who I'm gonna get with this hand. You! I got baby. That's what you do. Oh, I got this little kitten. How's the sugar donut? The apple cider.
Take off here. Keep your hands and feet. Take you to the next stop, which is the only other stop.
Bye.
We just had our apple cider donut, and now we're heading off to pick some apples.
Go ahead. I'm gonna go walk out and get it.
And taking it everywhere.
Yeah. That's why I was confused because
Okay, let's go pick some apple. Let's go up this way. Yes. Very nice. Isn't this a pretty place?
This is so yummy.
It's yummy. That's good.
After the kids and I tasted so many apple and walked around and got our photo, it was time for me to work on my Instagram.
Actually sit with your legs. Okay, I'll do a video while you standing. We definitely got the shots already.
We'll turn around when they say hi, okay?
And now. I got it.
Huge thanks to my sister because she is literally the best photographer ever. She filmed, I pose, and then another great video for the gram. Pretty much she would tell me which angle work, what to do, how to turn, and then I pose accordingly. And believe it or not, my photo shoots and filming never take more than 10 minutes, mainly because usually when I go out I always take my kids with me. So yeah, I've learned to model pretty quickly and go back to tending to my kid and living in the moment. I've always loved making vlogs and keeping you guys updated on my life because you guys have become so much more than just viewers. You guys have become a long-term kind of like family internet friend. So with me reconnecting with you guys was sharing with you my life and what I've been through and what I'm going to be doing.
Yeah, so a crackhead followed Julie in New York. You gotta just tap it, but it flattens it. It doesn't jiggle.
Ah, it doesn't jiggle. It's
No,
a
because
mochi.
it's emoji. Julie can.
where they brûlée.
Oh, right. More brown sugar.
After the orchard, I dropped the apples as well as the girls off at grandma because on Sunday they generally spend time with grandmas and their cousins over there. So after dropping them off, I am grabbing a little dessert treat at Mango. And of course, without the kids around, I must get some content. And then we went home, I prepped food for the girls for tomorrow's school, and then my sister and I, as well as Julie, are going out for an omakase tonight. And honestly, I really hope you've been enjoying these videos because I do put a lot more effort into them. And now that I'm only carrying my phone, believe it or not, the majority of my filming for 2023 and 2024 video has been on my iPhone. I'm going to show you the drink menu just because I want you to know what is available. However, after getting Hep B from Vietnam, you gotta watch my prior video to know that. Honestly, a lot of things in my gut biome has changed and I don't really drink anymore, and so I've been subbing a lot of these drinks out with just good old mocktail. And I guess maybe it's old age too, but I just don't handle my alcohol well. I mean, I can still drink, but I definitely would have an allergic reaction to where I turn a little red, like splotchy and itchy all over my body, and so I just kind of stay away.
Yours is more tart, so I always like it.
He's waiting to explain to us.
Ready?
It's because it's spicy, isn't it? No, it's not at all. Let me try. Tart. I like tart. Julie's hoping I like her. That's disgusting.
I think this place have a special place in my heart because this is the first place that I sung to a live audience. They do air karaoke night, and I was really depressed that night, I remember. But every time I sit here, I remember that day when I step outside my shell and finally sung in public again. I really wish sushi looked better, you know? Like, it tastes so good, but it just doesn't look as pretty and exciting like French food. But the taste is just so perfect. And growing up, I ate rice every day, so I definitely can eat sushi every day of my life. And I'm honestly so upset with myself that I forgot to bring my filming light, so I really am mad that these video clips could not be better or sharper in quality.
This sushi?
She's asking because like in New York we had like a little bit of a fire show at one of them. She's like, do we have it here?
That actually looks really cool.
So I want to try something new. This is my glass of water. I finished it and I put my camera phone right on the back, and I think the camera quality is honestly still really good. The only issue is I still can't do that far shot while he's like making this amazing meal.
It's like when she was.
I love private dinner. They're the best time to have conversation with your close friends and family member. And that's why a lot of the video is very hard for me to leave the voice on, because girls usually go out on these extravagant dinner to talk about their relationship problem or their personal problem. And that's why it's very hard for me not to do a voiceover of some kind, not to put it in some music, and I'm constantly getting hit with copyright issue because every restaurant, every place that we go to have this music that is blasting overhead. So far the food has been really good, and the chef is losing patience because here I am, always the last to finish my piece because I have to film it perfectly. And now without my light, I really just don't love this flash. I feel like it's not picking up the color well, and I just have so much complaint for these clips that I'm uploading. So I better see everyone showing massive support because I could be eating this. It could be in my stomach. But no, I'm filming it so that it could be in your stomach through your eyes because we are here together. And if I wasn't so self-conscious, I definitely would do mukbang just so you can see how good it looks when I'm expressing how good this tastes.
I don't know if I can eat 18 pieces. And if Sunday I could do. Should we do like lunch?
Yeah.
And then we went to another restaurant. Yep, we're supposed to be here for taco, but I'm so full, almost everyone is stuffed. But Lily is not stuffed. She has decided to order 4 dozen oyster. And I'm not even kidding, she finished it herself. And like that, the night ended at 8 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. Don't forget to ding the bell to be notified when the next video is out. So now part of my job every morning is getting the girls ready, feeding them breakfast, and then taking them to school just because the girls are much bigger now, and it will give my husband Adam enough time